What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car jack stands on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is TONDA Floor Jack. The TONDA Floor Jack is designed to handle a load capacity of 3 tons, making it suitable for a variety of vehicles including cars, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. Its low-profile construction allows it to easily slide under vehicles with reduced clearance, making it a useful tool for both professional garages and personal workshops. Constructed from a combination of aluminum and steel, this jack offers a balance of strength and reduced weight for easier handling. The dual pump system is engineered to lift the vehicle more quickly, reducing the time and effort needed during operation. A large saddle is incorporated to provide stable contact with the lifting point, helping to protect the frame rail and prevent surface damage to coated or painted areas. The design includes 2 swivel casters that rotate a full circle, allowing smooth movement and precise positioning under the vehicle. This mobility is helpful in tight spaces where maneuvering can be challenging. A side-mounted handle is built in to make carrying and transportation more convenient, whether it is being moved around a shop or stored away after use. With a maximum lifting height of 18.5 inches, it is capable of supporting a wide range of maintenance and repair tasks. The combination of durable materials, efficient lifting performance, and practical handling features makes it a dependable choice for those who need a versatile hydraulic jack for vehicle maintenance. In our list, the number 4 product name is HEN Hydraulic Jack. The Henf LowProfile Floor Jack is built to handle a load capacity of 3 tons, making it suitable for lifting a variety of vehicles, including modified and standard passenger models. Its construction uses heavy-duty steel for strength and durability while maintaining a design that allows smooth handling. The low-profile structure enables it to slide under vehicles with reduced clearance, making it a practical choice for maintenance work in different settings. Equipped with dual-piston lifting technology, it reaches the contact point quickly, reducing the time required to raise a vehicle. The wide lifting range, starting from 3.3 inches up to 18.5 inches, allows flexibility for different vehicle types and service needs. A built-in safety valve offers overload protection, helping prevent damage during use. The jack features 4 wheels, with the rear ones designed to swivel, allowing for better maneuverability and easier positioning in confined areas. Side armrests provide a convenient way to carry and guide the unit. A rubber saddle pad is included to help secure the lifting point while minimizing the risk of damage to the vehicle's surface. Measuring approximately 26.9 inches in length, 13.1 inches in width, and 6.2 inches in height, it offers stability during operation while remaining compact enough for storage. This combination of sturdy build, efficient lifting action, and user-friendly handling makes it an effective hydraulic jack for both professional and personal automotive work. In our list, the number 3 product name is TCE Torin Hydraulic Floor Jack. The TCE Hydraulic Low Profile Service Jack is engineered to handle a load capacity of 4 tons, making it suitable for both general automotive work and heavy-duty industrial applications. Built for strength and stability, it can lift a variety of vehicles including cars, trucks, and sport utility models. The solid construction and wide stance provide reliable support during operation. With a lifting range starting from 4 inches and reaching up to 20 inches, It offers access for low-clearance vehicles while also accommodating larger models. The dual-piston system is designed to raise the load faster compared to a single pump, reducing the time needed to reach the desired height. This quick lift performance is especially useful in busy work environments where efficiency matters. The jack is equipped with two large steel wheels and two swivel casters that rotate in all directions, allowing smooth movement and precise placement beneath the vehicle. A built-in overload protection system helps prevent usage beyond the rated capacity, adding an extra layer of safety during lifting tasks. Its compact size, measuring approximately 8 inches in height, 16 inches in width, and 31 inches in length, allows it to be stored or transported with ease. The unit is manufactured to meet recognized safety standards and is built to provide consistent performance over time, making it a dependable tool for professional mechanics and vehicle owners who perform their own maintenance. In our list, the number 2 product name is DNA Motoring Hydraulic Trolley Floor Jack. The DNA Motoring Low-Profile Hydraulic Trolley Service Jack is built to manage demanding lifting tasks with a load capacity of 4 tons, making it suitable for various vehicle types including cars, trucks, and sport utility models. Its sturdy build combines heavy-duty steel construction with a practical design that ensures stability and reliability during operation. The lifting range begins at 4.5 inches and extends up to 20 inches, allowing access to both low-clearance and higher vehicles. A dual-piston system enables quick elevation to the required height, helping save time during maintenance or repair work. This makes it an excellent option for busy garages and industrial environments where speed and performance are priorities. Smooth movement is supported by large steel wheels along with swivel casters that provide easy maneuvering and accurate positioning beneath the vehicle. A rubber-padded saddle offers a secure grip while helping protect vehicle components from damage during the lift. The built-in overload safety mechanism is designed to engage if the capacity limit is exceeded, adding an important safeguard during operation. This hydraulic service jack is compact enough for convenient storage yet strong enough for consistent heavy-duty use. Its universal fit design means it can be used across a wide range of vehicle models. Whether in a professional workshop or a home garage, this floor jack delivers dependable lifting power with controlled operation, making it a reliable choice for anyone needing secure and efficient vehicle elevation. In our list, the number 1 product name is Yellow Jacket 3.5-ton low-profile floor jack. The Yellow Jacket 3.5-ton low-profile floor jack is built to provide powerful lifting support for a variety of vehicles, from everyday passenger cars to heavier utility models. With a maximum lifting height of 20 inches and a low starting clearance, it can easily slide under low vehicles while still handling higher lift requirements. Its strong steel construction ensures durability and stability, while the applied finish resists cracking or peeling even with frequent use. The hydraulic design uses a dual pump system that allows the saddle to rise to the needed height quickly, reducing the time spent positioning the vehicle for maintenance. The included rubber pad helps protect underbody surfaces, preventing scratches or dents during the lifting process. This thoughtful addition adds both safety and care when working on vehicles. Mobility is supported by a combination of 2 front steel wheels and 2 rear swivel casters, making it easy to roll and position the jack where needed. A long detachable handle provides leverage for smooth pumping action while also aiding in easy storage when not in use. Built for both professional environments and home garages, this floor jack offers reliable lifting capacity with added operational safety. Its robust frame and precise construction give confidence during demanding tasks, making it a dependable choice for users who require secure and efficient vehicle elevation.